Meaning of grievous bodily harm.
Grievous bodily harm.
Grievous bodily harm.
Grievous bodily harm.
Grievous bodily harm. Grievous bodily harm refers to a serious injury inflicted on a person intentionally or through negligence. The term often denotes a criminal offense, and the severity of the harm is typically greater than that caused by an ordinary assault. Examples of grievous bodily harm include broken bones, internal injuries, or disfigurement. The consequences for both the victim and the perpetrator can be long-lasting, with physical, emotional, and financial repercussions. In some jurisdictions, the punishment for committing grievous bodily harm can be severe, including lengthy prison sentences or fines.